Galaga is a Japanese arcade game developed and published in America in 1981. Play. Okay, it looks to me the same as Scrambler or Scrambler, I think that's the name. It looks the pretty much same graphics reproduction, so perhaps it's the same company that did this. I noticed there are microscopic tiny buttons. It say option start, exit, coin. Wow, the sound. Wow, unbelievable. The sound gets an A plus. Amazing sound, just like a Word arcade game cabinet, you know, the big stuff. Let's just click on coin, see what happens. Wow, nice. So they give you coins. Nice. Let's click on options. Load state, no, not my stuff. This one. I have exit, and let's just click on start. Oh, yes, man, when we were kids. Now I'm just having a little bit of trouble. Wow. This game gets a double wow. The colors are just amazing. Amazing colors. Just like you were watching those tube cathode tubes screens back in the days. Listen to the sounds. The button here is it works well enough. I think it's just good enough. It's some sort of a button that usually doesn't really allow for smooth movements, but this time I think it's well done. Sometimes my finger just get a little bit dry. My skin on fingers tip gets dry, and I don't really get that good touch on the screen. But otherwise, I'm not sure why there are two buttons here. So, oh yes, this game is really well done. Great, absolutely great. I call this reproduction because they basically took the whole, I guess they were basically reading the chipsets from the original physical game and just taking all that programming and put it into Android code or something like this. I have no idea how this works to create these games into Android, back into Android, but the people, I have to praise them. They do such an amazing work. So they definitely we definitely need to notice this and then just let them know we really appreciate that. The game itself, I don't remember having playing this specific game back in the days. No, please don't kill me. I don't know what happened. The game itself is really not that difficult and very entertaining. It's really well done. I mean, it's neither too easy, neither too difficult or too annoying or frustrating. The touch screen controls are good enough for a tablet. You know, is definitely not the same as a really physical real joystick, but for what it is, wow. Much recommending this game on Android. Check the video description. I'll try to put a link to the Android download from a desktop, and then you just can find the game on Android. So sometimes it's difficult to find them on the store because the small thumbnail, it's sometimes you don't know which one is it actually. So And also you got the stars. Stars are nice. Let's just play a little bit without talking. I need to stay out of those bombs. Which I can do always. Let's try it again. Start. Okay, start. So first stage, they don't throw bombs as they come in. I'm not the best player anyway, so I'm not doing these videos to show how good I am. Honestly, I'm far from that. Is that a good thing? I don't know if I should go with this guy. Perhaps I should have got attracted to him. Let's see what happens. Is that a good thing? Oh no, I'm dead, right? I didn't know. I have no idea what to do. First stop, I'm not sure what first stop means, but that's classical. Let's try it again. Definitely, you need to get a good grip on the this button. Like I said, usually my fingertips just get too dry, and then I lose kind of touch on the touch screen. But great game, great reproduction, colors, sound, fun, nice scenario, nice design. Check the video description for a link for Android, and thanks for watching.